Here's a couple more. Here you go. Where are you? Here's a couple more. Okay. Okay, give them all really big kisses. Give your binkies kisses because we got to go throw them away. Okay? Okay. Let's go give them because we're going to give them to other little kids. The garbage man's going to take them and take them to a new baby. And then you get to keep your train set and all your toys. Come on. Tell Daddy what you're doing. Tell Daddy. What are you doing? Tell him.
I'm just giving my book to the man.
Who are you giving it to? Tell Daddy.
To the garbage man.
The garbage man.
And what do you get to have?
My train set.
Tell Daddy.
And my train set my ablator.
Yeah.
That's
That's
right.
right.
That's right. Okay, come here. Let's go take him to the garbage. All right. Are you ready for this, buddy? You coming? Okay, come on, Dad. All right. Okay, we have to throw these away. You don't get to have them at nighttime anymore, okay? Or in the car. Here it is, right here. The garbage man's gonna come. Which one is it, Dad?
The blue one.
The blue one. Okay, are you ready to dump them in there? Tell your binkies, I love you. Oh, good job. Okay, throw it in there. You did it! Let's go get your train now. Should we go get your train? See, I did it.
I did it.
You did it. No more binkies. Okay, let's go. No more binks. Huh? Say, I'm two.
And two.
And I don't even need a binky.
And I need a biggie.
See, I just need my train.
I just need my train and my house ladder and my dog ladder.
Let's go get it.
All right.